Hello. So I'm making this for the sales team, but if you're watching this, here's some free knowledge. All right, so this is literally how you can generate booked calls every single day without spending any money. This is super powerful. All right, if you are watching this, this is in our sales channel under content. All right, we got the action post, we got the cold call script. This is the inbound script. The inbound script is different than the outbound script because the inbound means they're already invested and they know about us a little bit. When you're doing outbound sales calls, the script is mostly to set the appointments. Anyways, this is how we do it though. So if you need this kind of stuff, go to our content, Credit Leverage X, join our community. Anyways, so first you got to have the DM script. Okay, so the DM script, we're going to say, hey, saw you commented on my post, creating multiple streams of income, or whatever it is you're posting on, right? So if you want to copy this DM script breakdown, let me know. But it goes basically opener, connection, check out their main profile. Try and go a little deeper, understand their current situation, figure out their pain, their problems and pains. Examples, hey, name, so what's going on with your credit? What's motivating you to fix your credit? How many collections do you have on your credit score? Like, these are their pain points, right? You would have your own pain points if you're watching this for something else. Basically, once you know that the customer has a pain point, needs to get into alignment, and you need to figure out, which product is going to be best for them. But here, then you make them an invitation, and it's a book a call, and you're going to send them one of our Calendly links or send them to the VSL page where they can watch more videos. Okay, so that's the end goal. All right. Action posts. All right, that's just what I'm calling them. But they're basically, you take these posts and you're going to put them into a bunch of Facebook groups. And I put the Facebook groups down here. I'm also going to add other groups, right? I'm going to add LinkedIn groups, Reddit groups, Twitter groups. Basically, groups of where your likely people are going to be and start a conversation with them, okay? The whole point of the action posts is to start a conversation. So I grabbed the one about houses. So let's just go to a different one. First time home buyers. I bet there's a bunch of crap. Let's go to groups. And you're just gonna have to join a ton of these groups. And eventually you're not gonna have to join them. You're gonna find the ones that really have a lot of people in them actually. You're gonna join these groups. And this is literally what I want you to do. So you're just gonna paste what I have in the action post, but then you're gonna kind of like pimp it out a little bit, right? Fire. And let's post it. Okay, and you're going to basically post this into a bunch of groups. And I'm going to try and make, on the action post page, I'm going to build out this list. Like, this list is going to get crazy. And you're basically going to figure out which one of these, like, because we have a ton of these posts, right? And all these posts do is to start a conversation, okay? As soon as they start, like as soon as somebody comments, as soon as somebody likes your post, you're instantly going to go into the DM campaign and you're going to start sending them the questions that we have, right? And obviously, don't just copy and paste, okay? If you just copy and paste, you're not going to fucking get anywhere. You have to like relate to the person. But I also don't want you to have to think a lot. I want you just to be able to like boom, 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 boom. Like this is what I do. Every morning I wake up, I post 10 action posts in 10 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Now I go on to the next step. As soon as I start getting comments, likes, notifications, I go and I start a conversation with those people, or better yet, maybe they start a conversation with me. I add them as a friend and I start sending them a DM, okay? And we're also going to have a free course here as soon as I do it, probably this weekend. And the free course is a great way to start a conversation. So let's say somebody comments on your post, be like, hey, I actually have a free course on this. I'm going to add you as a friend. Please accept my DM and I'll send you the info. Now you start a conversation, right? Now you've got people basically talking to you and you can go from, hey, and then if they join our Facebook group, here's another great way to do it. Here's some colder ones. Be like, hey, we've been friends for a little while, whatever. So this is how we start the conversation though. So you make the action posts. Somebody, whatever the post is about, right? So this is going to change. So I'll highlight this in yellow or whatever. So this would be for the post that I just did. It's like, who wants to learn how to raise their credit quickly and buy a house, right? Whenever that gets approved, because right now it's waiting. There's some groups that you can post in, and some groups that are just going to like flag you and be fucking annoying. Here, let's go to my group. All right, but you go to these groups, or you paste, make it fiery. And you're literally going to start conversations. And some of these posts are going to go freaking viral. Like they're going to go tons of conversations, tons of stuff. And as soon as people like, comment, if somebody even looks at your stupid post, you need to send them a DM, okay? So this one would be, hey, saw you comments on my post about fixing your credit to get a house. Mind if I send it to you here? And then as soon as they say yes, you're going to send them the link. And then you're going to ask them, just out of curiosity, what made you take interest in, this is going to change, in fixing your credit to buy a house. Then you start a conversation. Now you're in the DMs, you're in with them, and you got to be thumb hustling. Boom, 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 boom. And again, the end goal for this is that we make 10 action posts in 10 groups every single morning, and by the end of the day we book at least 10 calls. Okay, like this is pretty simple. Okay, and then 1 or 2 out of those 10 will close. You get paid, we get paid, we all make money, everybody's happy. So this is really what I want you guys to work on. Here's a couple other action posts. And if you're trying to figure out how to make action posts, right, write out like the kind of basic version of your action posts. Okay, go into ChatGPT and say, write me a variety. I can't spell variety of. Write me a variety of this Facebook post, book post, and make it clickbait. Okay, gotta make sure you make it clickbait. Facebook post and make it clickbait. Okay, then you paste what you're gonna post. Bada bing, bada boom. This is literally what you do, and then you just like keep testing these. And if you guys get really cool at this, okay, I'm giving you the sauce. You go to Walmart and you buy yourself these $40 phones from Google. Okay, you buy 10 of them, $400, right? Oh my God, $400. But you buy 10 of these phones. You create a Facebook profile on each one of these phones. You get a link to whatever your product is, right? Or basically, first you test your action posts, right? First you find the best action posts that convert, that get tons of conversations, that lead to them buying something. Then you figure out a way to make the action post have a link in it, or you put the link in the comment after you do the action post, right? And then you do this on like a billion freaking Facebook groups every single day, because you can only do about 10 to 20 Facebook groups of posting, copying and pasting the same thing before Facebook's going to get mad. Okay, so you don't want to do too many. That's why 10 is perfect. Every morning though, if you just do 10 of these, it's going to start lots of conversations, and you're going to obviously find different groups, right? You're gonna find groups that are really going to blow up, and you're gonna start some amazing conversations. You're gonna book a ton of calls, and then you're just gonna kind of rework that every couple days into that Facebook group, or you just keep delivering value to that Facebook group, and then every like 2 days you do the big action post, and then like you just go straight into the DMs. You book lots of appointments, and then we start making money. Okay, so this is literally what I want people to do every single day. Every day. There's no excuses. Like if you want to make money, come up with a DM script, come up with action posts, start posting them in Facebook groups every day. Now, the other thing that you need to do, and I'm going to make another video on this, but you got to make sure that your Facebook profile is in alignment with what you're trying to do. Okay. So right now mine is not in alignment. Mine's all over the place. What I want to see is I want this like big headline here. I want this to be like whatever your business is about. This is who you are. And then inside of here, instead of saying growth consultant, that's what I do. Maybe since I'm becoming like a finance guru now, I'll change it to finance expert, right? Finance and business expert, right? And then I'll have the one link in my bio will be to my business. Okay. So right now my bio is just kind of like all over the place because I don't know, I'm kind of low key and I'm about to blow up though. And when I start blowing up, things are going to happen, and this whole finance guru life is about to take off. So if you're watching this video, join my Facebook group, Credit Leverage X. Feel free to try and post action posts in there, whatever. But we will fix your credit. We'll help you get a house. Our main thing is increase your credit score, maximum amounts of funding, create multiple streams of income. I hope this was super helpful for you. I look forward to talking to you in the next one.